students, hope that all of you are keeping well and safe at home. Today let's go to a new lesson, Standard for English, Unit 7, The Scholar's Mother Tongue. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. एक अच्छे से पढ़े हुए एक पंडित एक बार अकबर की राजमहल में आया और राजा से और उनके साथ मंत्रियों के साथ उसने ये कहा है कि वो अलग अलग भाषा में बहुत अच्छे ज्ञान को प्राप्त किए हैं. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. पंडित बहुत सारे भाषा बहुत आसानी से बोलते थे. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. वो इतने fluent में अलग अलग भाषा बोलते थे, कोई भी उसकी जो मातृभाषा क्या है उसको समझ नहीं पाते थे. He challenged everybody at the court to name his mother tongue. और उसने ये राजमहल की सबको ये चुनौती दिया है कि उसकी मातृभाषा कौन सा है करके कोशिश करें. When everyone failed, the challenge was taken up by बीरबल. सब लोग हार गया, तब इस चुनौती को बीरबल ने ले लिया. That night Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. जब पंडित बहुत गहरे नींद में थे तब बीरबल उस रात को इस पंडित के रूम में चले गया. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with feather. वो पंडित की कान में कुछ बिल्कुल धीरे से कहा और एक पंख के साथ उसके कान में लगा दिया. The Pandit half awake cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. तुरंत पंडित आधा नींद में से उठा और बहुत जोर से अपनी मातृभाषा में चिल्लाने लगा. Birbal came to the court next day and told everyone that the Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. और बीरबल दूसरे दिन अदालत में राजा के पास आ गया और कहा सबको ये जो पंडित है उसकी मातृभाषा तेलुगु है. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. पंडित ने इस बात को सुनते हुए आश्चर्य हो गया और सच्चाई को स्वीकार किया. King Akbar then asked Birbal, "How did you find the truth?" और राजा बीरबल से ये पूछा है आपने इस सच्चाई को कैसे ढूंढा. Birbal answered, "In times of difficulty, a person speaks only in his mother tongue." जब मुश्किलें आ जाते हैं एक व्यक्ति अपना मातृभाषा में ही बातें करेंगे. He also told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. और उन्होंने ये भी राजा को बताया कि वो कैसे इस पंडित के रूम में गया उस रात को और इस सच्चाई को कैसे ढूंढा. Adapted from Akbar and Birbal's story. ये जो कहानी है अकबर और बीरबल की कहानियों से निकाले हैं. Reading is fun. Who came to Akbar's court? What did he claim to know? How did he challenge everybody? Let's talk. What is your mother tongue? Tell the class a joke in your mother tongue. Do you know any other language? Do you know a joke in English? Tell your friends. Let's listen. Listen to your favorite advertisement on the radio or TV. Repeat it with stress on the words. Act, draw, and write the advertisement. Say aloud. Ask, bask, mask, task, scholar, school, scan, and skip. We say, I learned my lesson. Action word. But a learned Pandit came to the court. Describing word. We pronounce it as learned to rhyme with. Created, waited. Tick the words which end with sound ID. Say each word aloud. Accepted, answered, irritated, failed, completed, challenged, cried, surprised, find, leaked, celebrated, and fried. Word building. Make a class dictionary with words from the story. Try to find suitable words for them in your mother tongue. Say these words aloud. Then make sentences with those words in your class dictionary. Words in English. Converse, tickle. So sentences, you write it here or write all the words that show you are happy. For example, hooray, haha. Add more. Tick the right answer. I visited the court of Akbar means you always live there. You came there for a short time. You were born there. So tick the answer. You came there for a short time. To imitate someone means to copy someone, tease someone, make someone angry. So write the answer, copy someone. Look and fill in the columns. One has been done for you. Quiet, quietly. Fluent, fluently. Angry, angrily. Sad, sadly. Fierce, fiercely. Gentle, gently. Match the words in column A with words in column B. King, courtiers. Teacher, students, doctor, patients, bus driver, passengers, lawyer, clients, mother, children. Play this game with a friend. Pick up what you want from any basket. Add a or and before it. Now say the sentences below using these things. Rug, pillow, bedsheet, alarm clock, wall clock, wristwatch, apple, orange, banana, ice cream, bow, arrow, ball, bat and doll, waistcoat, long coat, raincoat and umbrella. Nina, I can I have dash please Rahul. Yes, here you are. Jivika, can I have dash too? Nikhil, no sorry, you can't have that. Make more sentences using words from the baskets. Let's share. How did Birbal find out about the Pandit's mother tongue? Act out with your friends and make it into a class play. Thank you for enjoying this class. Till we meet in next class, take care and bye.